Outstanding design defines the 2009 Mazda CX-7. With just over 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of a Mazda are offered, including one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and more. Mazda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.